Right now I am going to be making broccoli and cheddar soup. I did not have a pound of broccoli, so it's really broccoli and cauliflower and cheddar soup. So here is about a pound, well, let's say 3/4 of a pound of broccoli and a 1/4 of a cup of, oh, hold on. That's my eggs cooking. So this is, you see how much broccoli is in here? So 3/4 of it is broccoli, about a 1/4 cauliflower. That goes in the Instapot. And then I'm gonna fill this up with 2 cups of chicken broth. Give it a good shake. I like to use the organic when I can. Here's your 2 cups of broth. Pour that into the Instapot. And then I chopped a whole onion and let's say about a 1/2 cup of carrot and a little bit of celery. Let's say, maybe about 2 inches of a stalk. We're gonna add that to that. So I'm gonna scrape the last of that, put that in there, and then I'm gonna put the Instapot on high pressure for 15 minutes. This is what it should look like. So then you are going to put on your Instapot, pressure cook for 15 minutes. And then hit the start button. Wait for it to pressurize. Right now I'm doing the quick release. The Instapot has ended. So once the steam is all gone, you could lift the lid. See here, all the pressure is ended. Hit the off button. Okay. I have 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk ready to go. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of cheddar cheese after that's done. So take the lid out. This is what the mixture looks like. Okay, gonna hit saute, if I can find the right button. Stir this in. And you want that to bubble up. Whoop, and it shut itself off. I have to hit start. So let's try that again. Saute, start. So I'm gonna stir that in. Stirring in 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce to give it more flavor. Right now we're just waiting for it to bubble up and get the cheese nice and melty.